purifying the source of your energy, prana, life force, is the goal of human body. You use some form of fuel to empower you, to make you active, alive, fresh, excited. Some people get ignited, excited with sex, lust, passion. Some people get ignited, excited, active with anger, revenge, holding grudge. Some people get excited, inspired, active through devotion, feeling connection, powerful truths, empowering, enlightening cognitions, activities like yoga, kriya, puja, purifying, raising the quality of your fuel, raises your state, space, powers of Paramashiva. If you raise the quality of your fuel, move from sex, away from anger, move away from revenge, move away from holding grudge, move away from all of this tamasic, rajasic, life negative fuels and resources. Move towards intense, empowering, life positive fuel. The most life positive, highest fuel is Tyaga, sacrifice. Tyaga is source of prana in Kailasa. I tell you, every time when I attend to my kids and answer their questions, help them to get enlightened, manifest powers, I feel so much prana, energy. It's not that I want them to get into mood swings and throw tantrum. I want to make it clear. Otherwise, my kids will say, oh, I have to give energy to Swamiji, so I have to start throwing tantrum. No, stop. I have enough people all over the world whom I need to attend. I want to tell you all, whenever I do Tyaga, I feel so much energy, excitement. Yesterday, one of my daughters were asking me, Swamiji, you said invoke Paramashiva, just like a request, he will manifest. But I read in the stories, Paramashiva gives hard tests, and it is very difficult to prove and succeed in those tests. Listen, he tests only during the conclusion moment, just before giving enlightenment. Actually, I will tell you the exact manual, procedure, insider secret. He makes you gold. After you become the gold, he tests your carrot to declare it to the world. That's all. Not that for him to know or judge you. He tests the carrot of your gold in public for the world to know, not for himself. So, listen carefully. I'll repeat. He makes you gold. Once you become gold, He does acid wash, acid test for the world to know your character, your purity. Not that he doubts you, not that he wants to test your standard, your character. No. He wants the world to know what kind of a metal you have become now. You are now. For that it is. If you read Nayanmar's life, they will describe very clearly. Paramashiva decided to test Ilayangudi Mara Nayanar to show to the world his quality, not for himself. He doesn't know or what. As if Paramashiva doesn't know the strength and the metal out of which Ilayangudi Mara Nayanar made. Paramashiva only made Ilayangudi Mara Nayanar. He wants to test, to show to the world what kind of metal Ilayangudi Mara Nayanar is made of. Raising the quality of the fuel of your prana, your life force, is the purpose of human body. Some people get excited for money. For them, money is the prana. Some people get excited by abusing others, attacking others, destroying others. Listen, if destroying others, abusing others, attacking others makes you excited, you are a Chandala, Rakshasa, demon. If pleasures of life like sex, food, all this excites you, then you are Shudra. If money excites you, you are Vaishya. If commanding, ruling, administering excites you, you are Kshatriya. If enlightenment, powerful cognitions about cosmos, Kundalini Shakti, yoga, puja, kriya, if all this excites you, you are Brahmana. Your fuel decides your varna. Today, formally I am inaugurating both the global Akanda Nirvikalpa Samadhi Jnana Yajna to give superconscious breakthrough to the whole universe and to heal the world from COVID-19's direct and indirect effects. 12 zones from around the world consisting of people from all over 100 countries will continuously radiate the space of Paramashiva Listen. 12 zones from around the world consisting of people from over 100 countries will continuously radiate the space of Paramashiva by practicing Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutching process, meditation. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Starting now, I'll continue till I announce further. The goal is to have 10,000 people radiate Paramashiva from the state of Nirvikalpa Samadhi at any given point. We invite the entire world to join us and heal the globe from COVID-19 and give a superconscious breakthrough to the world. Even with people no meditation experience are welcome. We will teach you and we will train you the sacred unclutching process, Nirvikalpa Samadhi process, ultimate meditation revealed by Paramashiva, and we will enlighten you. Sign up at kailasa.tv/minutes for peace. And I tell you, as I said yesterday, if you are practicing all by yourself, if you put 1 hour effort, you will get 1 hour result. But here, if all of us put together, we put the billion-hour effort, every single individual who has put even 1 hour will receive the billion-hour result. That is the beauty of collective meditation process, collective spiritual alchemy process. So now you are not only going to get the billion, I am adding direct Paramashiva component in it. So it just gets like a transformer. Billion become trillions and zillions. You will be showered. And next, the great Pachapatni Vratam completion. From today, next 7 days, till 19th May, we will do the Pachapatni Vratam. Because we started the Pachapatni Vratam late, those days, we are going to do it now and bring completion. So with this, I bless you all. I request all of you to join the teams now. That is why I am concluding the satsang little early. Organize yourself to be part of it, either conducting or coordinating or meditating. So, chanting 42 minutes of 108 Upanishads, 21 minutes of Bhagavad Gita, 1 hour of Mahavadya chanting, all these are very good preparation activity for you to sit in Nirvikalpa Samadhi for 1 hour. So, now the presidential briefing will be done. All of you join with the team and organize yourself. Let's start.